Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kudu semangat kemajuan bangsa Aceh. Uronyo tanggal 27 bulan 11 2020 dengan izin Allah dan berkat doa urang drone mandung bangsa Aceh. Kamu delegasi daripada Aceh Sumatera National Liberation Front, kamu masih mendamping dalam gedung PBB yang di Jenewa. Nyona ke ruangan tempat briefing. Nah, jadi rakan-rakannya kamulai dekat-dekat, delegasi lain kamulai dekat. Kemudian acara ini kita mulai posiplu wate di Jenewa. Jadi no kemanteng nilai informasi dari Lun, mudah-mudahan gedanya sehat mandung gubri oleh Allah, tetap semangat, tetap terpegah kebenaran demi nanggro tu yang sampo toronyo manteng bak jaro jajahan bangsa lain. Saban-saban gedanya depu but perkara Acehnya nak but gedanya mandung, tanggung jawab gedanya mandung. Hitam putih Acehnya na bak jaro bangsa Aceh gerok, kan bak jaro bangsa lain.
I call on Aceh Sumatra National Liberation Front, ASNLF.
Thank you.
To speak the representation of Acehnese in traditional and social media. Aceh at the northern tip of Sumatra carries immense cultural and historical significance. Yet for decades, the Acehnese have faced systemic misrepresentation, marginalization, and neglect. Our narratives of resilience and rights are too often overshadowed, disordered, or ignored. Media in Indonesia frequently reduces minority like Acehnese to harmful stereotype, while social media algorithm amplify disinformation and polarizing rhetoric. Legal instruments like the Indonesian Electronic Information and Transaction Law and provision of the Criminal Code are often weaponized to silence dissent. These laws suppress Acehnese activists, journalists, and civil society, erasing our voices from mainstream narratives and denying us to the right to define our identity. Despite these challenges, media hold a transformative potential platform that support minority languages and localized storytelling, can counter misinformation, foster pride, and amplify underrepresented voices. Grassroots initiatives led by Acehnese youth showcase how digital media can connect communities and combat hate speech. However, legal framework must protect, not undermine, freedom of expression. These Acehnese deserve narratives that celebrate their culture, recognize their contribution, and acknowledge their struggles. In line with Article 19 of the ICCPR, we call for inclusive ongoing dialogue among stakeholders to create media environments that uplift every voice and reflect the richness of the global society. Thank you.
Perwakilan Indonesia melalui Noviandri Wibowo, Sekretaris Pertama dari Perwakilan Tetap Republik Indonesia untuk PBB di Jenewa, menepis tudingan tersebut. Noviandri menegaskan bahwa sebagai negara demokrasi, kebebasan berekspresi dijamin secara tegas dalam konstitusi Indonesia. Selain itu, kerangka hukum Indonesia menjamin hak-hak dasar seluruh warga negara tanpa memandang latar belakang etnis, bahasa, atau budaya. Masyarakat Aceh sendiri telah lama menikmati hak-hak mereka melalui status otonomi, khususnya dengan sistem hukum yang mengakomodasi budaya dan norma lokal mereka. Bahkan Noviandri menuding bahwa ASNLF yang merupakan sebuah LSM yang berada di luar negeri ini tidak memiliki pemahaman yang utuh mengenai perkembangan Aceh selama ini.
Indonesia, 1 minute only, please.
Thank you, Madam Chair. We are compelled to respond to the statement made earlier by the speaker from the Aceh Sumatra National Liberation Front. As repeatedly stated in many occasions, including our UPR, ICCPR, and ICCR's review, the constitution and legal frameworks of Indonesia fully guarantee the fundamental rights of all Indonesians regardless of their ethnic, linguistic, and cultural backgrounds. The rights of minorities against discrimination are protected, and the minority groups have the freedom to fully participate in the society. Ensuring the representation of minorities in public spaces, including media, is vital for fostering tolerance, mutual understanding, and social integration. As a full-fledged democracy, the freedom of expression is also explicit guarantee in our constitution. The Acehnese living in the province, in fact, has long enjoyed their fundamental rights under the spatial autonomy with a unique legal system adopting their religious, cultural, and local norms. Therefore, the accusation made by the NGO, which operates outside my country and lacks complete knowledge on the actual development in Aceh, is completely baseless.
Thank you.
Harapan saya kemandung bangsa Aceh, semoga kedanyo sehat habis diberi Allah, tetap tapubut ke bangsa apa yang memungkinkan, ubina kemampuan, ubina kemudahan, dan raya harapan pe kedanyo pubutnyo bejit amal ibadah kedanyo masa ukur ketika kedanyo hanale, dan pe yang tadi kedanyo pubutnyo bumahase dan jit dirasa lianu cucu kedanyo ukur supaya baik menteng bayung rata nang rogo. Salam mecin kemandung bangsa Aceh. No ke video singkat yang lun petampo orang rona, tetap semangat dan tetap terus berjuang sampai cita-cita kemerdekaan dan cita-cita perjuangan almarhum Tengku Hasan Muhammad Itiro terpenuhi dan tercapai. Salim mereka, salim perjuangan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nyanban negalan kita pui di Swiss. Nyo kita pui di Swiss. Kiban, nak apa lagi kita pui nang roda nyo? Nyo lun batasion kita pui di Jenewa. Jenegalan kita kita pui di Nangro Swiss. Nataban lagi kita pui nang roda nyo. Cuman kerung mana kerukuh saja. Ya katu lain dong. Ya, kalian Iban, nak apa lagi kita pui nang rodanya, kurung mana keruku. Kaji lagi nya mata Aceh. Kita pui kurung mana keruku mendang. Tampuk jangan alih. Terima kasih.